So, inside the car here, and today, well, over the weekend, we went to the swap meet at Live In. That was pretty cool. Bought a lot of spinners, and I got some sockets there, Whitworth sockets too, and then the hex pattern ones. But I did get another barrel for my key, because I didn't have a key for my ignition. As you can see, I've got it out. Took a lot of pain and suffering, because it was quite tight in there. And you can see how much wires actually go into that one switch. All of this, all of these wires. I think there's like 7 bundles. Yes, there's 7 bundles, and then there's the 2 ignition wires. Because if you look at the back here, you got those 3, those 2 are the ignition, and you got these 4 as well. As you can see though, I got a key in it. And basically, when I got the barrel out, we had to drill it out because I had no key, so we could get rid of all the little gates in there so we could get this out. So I got this out, and I bought another one at the swap meet in the weekend, but it was actually a different size. So I actually turned this one here, down on Dad's metal lathe, ground some flats on it, and now it goes in there. Happy days. We just stick it in there. On and off, and I've also tested on the multimeter on the ignition switches that the switch still works going like that, and it does, it's in the right position. So now the fun job I got is rewiring this back into the car. As you saw, it's not going to be fun. I'll come back when I got it done. Alright folks, got my twin here, Thomas, and I left you off when I was doing the wiring inside, and it's been a whole week of fun. But now, I got a key in the ignition now, and I've rewired this, I think 3 times. And what I actually did is I had to get a diagram off the internet. I'll pop up the picture so you can see it, but the one in the book didn't actually match the wires I had. So now we can pull the choke out. Well, we don't need it, it's warm, shouldn't need it. Turn the ignition on. Oh, can you just plug the... and just, it's not arcing in there, is it? Don't touch it, it's not arcing in there though, is it? It shouldn't do because I haven't got it on.
You've disconnected it.
No, well the side light's not on. So anyways, we had a little, the wire in the side light there, the positive fell off, and it was arcing on the body of the light, and it got really hot. When I turned the lights on, I was checking the switches before. So now anyways, now I can just pull the starter. Just like that. We're starting. And then to turn it off now, we can just look at that. That's awesome, eh? That's awesome. So say bye, Thomas.
Bye, Thomas.
That's all, folks. Until next time.